Hey YouTube, it's Brina Will. I am back. I've been watching mukbangs. Shh, be quiet. I'm watching mukbangs left and right at work because I had some downtime. And I was thinking, you know what? I can do a mukbang on a Viet. It's a Vietnamese restaurant. So if you live in Minneapolis, I'm gonna say St. Paul too. You'll know about Viet. And all I have to do is I have to just show you one of these egg rolls. Oh my God, these are the bomb. So okay, what I have on the menu, we have some chicken, egg foo young with extra egg foo young gravy, sweet and sour chicken fried rice, and these are the egg rolls. They're so good. So we are going to start eating. There's some white rice in there as well, but I'm just gonna eat the fried rice. So, excuse me. So I'm gonna move some of these boxes. You eating some of this? Yeah, sweet and sour chicken.
Mama, can I have some plate?
No, you ate already. You ain't gonna do nothing but waste it, cause you didn't even. Malik actually ate that, not you. These egg rolls is the bomb.
Shh, Malik, worry about yourself.
I gotta get down.
Okay. You got up there, Dream?
No, let me help you. No.
Mama, help her move, Malik. Just sit down.
So, excuse the children. I'm probably gonna have to, like, rent a hotel room or something to do my videos. Look. It is what it is.
It's okay.
This is good. They're a little bit crunchier today. They're really good though. So, this little sauce, it's so watery, but it's so good.
On the other side, just fish oil.
I don't know if it's fish oil. It don't taste like fish oil. So all day, I've been watching mukbang, Tay and Lou, B-Loves. What's it, B-Loves Life? B-Loves Life. And I'm like, when I get off work, I'm doing a mukbang.
Grandma?
Yes,
Can I have?
no.
Let's give her some.
Amber, would you give her some? Because she ain't gonna. She didn't even eat her taco.
This is gravy.
Okay, that's it. Egg foo young.
Malik, come sit down.
Yeah, up here. Go in the room.
Sit, Malik.
Oh my God. I'm gonna pause it.
No, she didn't, but you just go sit down.